Passover is a significant Jewish holiday, lasting 8 days to commemorate the escape of the Jews from slavery in Egypt. During the 8 days of Passover, Jewish people keep kosher by avoiding chametz, leavened food, which is any food containing wheat, spelt, barley, oats, and rye. Instead, enjoy fresh produce, matzo, and other kosher foods, ensuring they have a kosher for Passover label. In the days leading up to Passover, vigorously clean your kitchens and utensils, a process called kashiring, to remove all traces of chametz from the home. The holiday begins based on the Hebrew calendar and includes 2 seders with symbolic foods on a seder plate. Celebrate with family and friends, saying blessings and enjoying traditional rituals like eating the karpaz and breaking the matzah. Remember to also take the first 2 and last 2 days of Passover off work. It can help to do any work you need to get done before Passover begins, or save it for the middle 4 days of Passover so you don't break with tradition.